A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are taking good care of your health at your home and also staying at home. Ready for your favorite subject, value education, in which you learn a lot of values. Let us see. Today we'll start with a new chapter, chapter number 3. Time never comes back. That means एक बार जो time चला जाता है वो कभी वापस नहीं आता. Let us see why the chapter's name is Time Never Comes Back. Let us see the story. Time never comes back. George Washington, the first president of United States of America. Who was George Washington? The first president of United States of America. Was always on time. What was his good habit? That he was always on time. He valued his time and his commitments. That means he always valued his time. He used to never take time for granted. Those students who come to school on time are punctual students. So in the same way, George Washington was very punctual. He did not like when people were late. उनको क्या चीज़ नहीं अच्छी लगती थी जब सामने वाला कोई late आता था. So he used to not like that habit. Then one day the secretary of George Washington came late to the office. What happened one day? George Washington का जो secretary था, he came late to the office. The president asked his secretary, "Why are you late today?" He asked that, "Why are you late today?" आज तुमको कैसे late हो गया? To this the secretary offered an excuse. Excuse मतलब जब हम अपनी गलती छुपाने के लिए कुछ बहाना ढूंढ के आते हैं. For example, if you are late for school and you tell teacher that my vehicle was not starting or मम्मी ने नहीं उठाया, but you never accept that आप नहीं उठ पाए. So excuses are always ready. So in the same way, his secretary came with an excuse and hurriedly replied, "Please excuse me sir, my watch is running late." उन्होंने क्या बोला? मेरी घड़ी पीछे चल रही है. At this, George said, "You will have to change your watch or I will have to change my secretary." After his excuse, George Washington ने क्या reply दिया? या तो तुम अपनी watch बदल दो या तो मैं अपना secretary बदल दूँगा. Then, I had read this anecdote in children's magazine. I felt the president was too harsh with his secretary. Now what is anecdote? Anecdote is short or interesting story about some event. So ये जो बच्चा था उन्होंने ये short story जो अभी हमने पढ़ी 2 पैराग्राफ की, he had read this short story somewhere and what in children's magazine he had read. तो ये पढ़ने के बाद उसको क्या लगा? उनको ये लगा कि जो प्रेसिडेंट थे यानी कि जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन वो अपने सेक्रेटरी के साथ too harsh, that means rude थे. Unable to keep this to myself, I asked my teacher's views on what the president had said. जब हम कुछ बात हमारे मन में होती है तो हमको ऐसा होता है कि हम किसी के साथ शेयर करें. So in the same way, this boy was not able to keep this to himself. और उनके मन में यही चल रहा था that why इतनी सी गलती के लिए president was rude with his secretary. So he asked his teacher's views on what president had said. Mr. Bailey then told me, "It doesn't speak good that you don't value time and your commitment towards your job and your boss." उनके टीचर ने क्या रिप्लाई किया कि अच्छा नहीं लगता अगर तुम अपनी जॉब को वैल्यू नहीं करते हो, अपने कमिटमेंट्स पे डिटरमाइन नहीं होते हो, or you don't value your job or your boss. If you don't value time and are late, then it clearly shows you are not dependable. अगर तुम अपनी जॉब को वैल्यू नहीं करते हो और हर रोज़ या कंटिन्यूसली लेट आते हो, so it clearly shows you are not dependable. तो वो क्या क्लियरली बताता है कि कोई तुम पे ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकता. If you can do it once, then you can do it again. अगर हम एक गलती आज करते हैं तो बहुत चांसेस है कि हम वही गलतियाँ रिपीट करें. Hence the stern reply of Mr. Washington. So उसके टीचर ने बोला इस रीज़न की वजह से मिस्टर वॉशिंगटन का रिप्लाई stern, that means firm था. I argued, but sir, what if the poor fellow is genuine about his problem? So इस बॉय ने क्वेश्चन पूछा, क्या अगर वो इंसान जेन्यून हो, उसकी प्रॉब्लम जेन्यून हो? So we'll read further interesting story in the next class. For today, read this page and go through the lesson. If you have any doubt, I'll solve it. Till then, God bless you. Have a nice day, students.